A trip to Islamabad, friendship, quarrel, and a memorable moment. Five friends lived in an old neighborhood in Lahore. Yusuf, Kaiser, Adnan, Shahab, and Gibran. They were together since childhood, together in school, playing games, and the neighborhoods. They participated in the races. But as time passed, life set everyone on their own paths. Education, jobs, family, everyone got busy in their own race.
One day, Shahab sent a message to the group. Boys, we will go around Islamabad. The brain will also be refreshed, and old memories too.
Everyone's hearts were happy. Adnan, I am ready. Just someone bring tea and a speaker. Yusuf, I will also go. Just the car. Make arrangements.
Gibran, the car is from my side. I will bring it with a full tank.
Kaiser, just don't fight. Last time also in the end I had to listen to everything. Start of the journey. At 7 a.m. everyone gathered outside Shihab's house. It happened. The weather was cold and the air was clear. As soon as we sat in the car, old songs were played, laughter erupted, and joking began. On the way, we stopped at a tea hotel on the motorway, ate hot pakoras, and took lots of selfies. Daman, mountain, Faisal, mosque, Shukar Parian, the beauty of every place was captured in the heart. Night scene. At night, a simple guest house was taken. One room, 5 friends. Pizza was ordered for food. Everyone sat happily, but when the time to pay came, then the matter worsened. Caesar, man, I already put more money in petrol. Now I should also pay for food? Adnan, hey brother, I paid the toll tax. I remember everything. Shahab, I gave the place I planned. I arranged everything. Now I should also give the money? The atmosphere became serious at once. Everyone was tired and a little irritable. Yusuf sat silently listening to everyone. Then Gibran took out his mobile phone and smiled. He said, guys, no problem. I have the Easy Payza app. I'll send the money now and later you all can give me your share. If needed, Easy Payza also gives loans. Everyone was surprised and they also laughed. Caesar, wow, brother, today your phone became a hero. The atmosphere softened. Everyone ate happily, went to the roof at night to watch the stars, and continued talking about their friendship, life, and future dreams. The next morning, the next day hiking on Margalla Hills, sitting by the Rawa Lake drinking tea, and capturing the special meeting of friends in a group selfie. At the time of return, happiness on everyone's faces and moisture in their eyes, it was. Adnan, next trip mine, Jubran, easy money on, loan on, Jubran on, Kaiser, and I'm also on, until someone fights again. The story's message. Life has many engagements, but from old friends, the relationship never ends. There are quarrels, misunderstandings, but true friendship is that which becomes stronger after every bitterness.